Glam Squad presents
8 essential items you absolutely need to pack for a trip. 1. List of clothes to pack. Do a lot of research about the weather of the place you are traveling to. Pack track pants, shorts, and comfortable t-shirts if you will be doing lots of outdoor activities. For winter holidays, pack enough innerwear and outerwear to layer up. 2. Shoes. Pack hiking, running, or walking shoes depending on where you are going. Closed footwear, in general, is always a great idea. 3. Makeup and accessories. Remember the whole idea of a capsule wardrobe? Makeup and accessories complete that puzzle. Earrings, statement necklaces, finger rings, side body bag, shades, or anything that can pop and spruce up your outfit can be good additions to your bag. Hair ties, tweezers, clips, and bobby pins for your hair are essential. 4. Toiletries. Pack your essentials like face wash, shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, lotion, sunscreen, deodorant, and perfume travel size first. Stuff like hairstyling tools, toilet paper, and wet pipes are optional. 5. Electronics. Just carry your phone, charger, wallet, and other electronics you need. Everything else can be managed. Don't forget to pack a memory card, power bank, and USB sticks. 6. Medicines and first aid. If you are on any medication, don't forget to carry them, even the ones you take occasionally. Carry general medicine like paracetamol, diarrhea medicine, painkillers, motion sickness pills, and allergy medication. Band-aids, bandage, sanitizer, and mosquito and insect repellents are also essential. 7. Travel documents. Get your travel documents in order, especially if you are traveling abroad. Don't forget your medical and travel insurance, identity proof, and immunization records. Emergency contact list, language guide, and maps are always helpful. 8. Trip itinerary printout. Have a detailed itinerary and figure out which parts of the city you are going to explore. Finalize the checklists with the names of the hotels, phone numbers, and everything else that might come in handy during your trip.